Good afternoon. This is going to be a bike check on a 1999 GT Interceptor Chrome racing style BMX bike. This is a different one, but I used to have one of these, exactly the same make and model. Look how beautiful that neck is. Back in the fall of 1998, I bought one at Mike's Bikes in Berkeley, California for $259, I think, plus tax, maybe out the door. I got this one for $75 in Campbell, which is east of San Jose, in California, south of Oakland and San Francisco. It was his parents bought it for him when he was 16 years old, back in the fall of 1998, and he gave it to his 10-year-old son, and he tooled around it for a while, and then he got tired of all the junk in the garage. So this is a really pretty bike. Built in the USA. All the parts are GT, except for the brakes are Tectoro, and even the tires are GT. They are special tires. Where's the tiger? Where's the tires logo? Anyway, there was a logo on the tires. I'm not sure where it is now. Seems to have disappeared on me, or I've gone blind. But yeah, it's a really nice bike. When I got the bike, it needs a BB adjustment. It's kind of loose, as you can see, just a hair. I like things to work nice, so I'm gonna have the bike shop look at it. They're gonna fix it for $15. I put AME grips on it, as you can see. They were $5 from www.danscomp.com. I also did something else to it. I can't remember. Oh, the valve caps. It was missing the valve caps, so I put some valve caps on it. Bam. Yeah. So check how the Allen screws are. I got some wax in there on the GT logo. It's unique, you know. I believe this is one of the last ones made in America, down there in Southern California. Tectoro brakes. The seat's a little torn. Some jack off cranking a stereo here, riding by in a Chrysler minivan. Single piece crank. Yeah, it's just a beautiful bike. So anyway, I think I gave you all the information about this bike that I could, so I'm going to sign off.